Hi guys, welcome back. First, let's take a container, okay? And inside this, let's take a div and let's give it a class called image, okay? And inside this, first let's take actual image and source equal to girl.jpg. You can see guys, I have this image and I will provide these things in description. You can take them. For now, let's come here and let's write one more div and let's give it a class called content, okay? Inside that, let's take h1 and let's write here sales manager, okay? Sales manager, simple. And after that, let's take p tag and here let's write lifetime of sales, okay? Simple. Now let's go to css. Yeah, you can see guys, first I have taken Google Font API, which is pop-ins. I hope you guys know how to get this one, okay? And I have taken margin 0, padding 0, box sizing, border box, okay? So the first thing what we'll do is that let's select this container first. So I'll type here container, okay? And inside that, yeah, here first let's take width and width should be 100% and let's take height and height should be 100 viewport height. Now let me scroll this one. Yeah, you can see guys, we have here sales manager and lifetime of sales. So let me scroll it back. Yeah, awesome. Now let's take display flex. So I'll write display and then let's take flex, okay? And let's type justify content center and align items center, okay? Simple. Yeah. Oh wow, she's looking beautiful.
सुकून का नाम सुना है? हाय हाय, इतना सुकून.
Let's move on. Now let's give a background color. So I'm gonna give background color as 1C, 1C, 1C. Okay, simple. Now let's select our image, right? Our image, which is nothing but like a card actually, right? This is the one. It's a div. So let's select this one and let's give it a width and height. So first let's give it a width. Let's say width should be 300 pixel. Okay. After that, let's give it a height and height should be 400 pixel. Simple. Now let's give it a position and relative. Okay. For now, I will comment this one. Okay. Now next step is let's target the content. Okay. Content. And first thing what we're going to do here is that let's take position as absolute. So let's write here position absolute and let's type top 0 and left 0 and width as 100%. Okay. And after that, let's type height as also 100%. And after that, let's give it a color. Okay. And color should be #FE100. Okay. Yeah. You see guys, our text came here, but I don't want that to happen. I want this to be on top of the card, right? On top of our image. So that is why we have to give position relative to the image, nothing but to the card. So when this happens, immediately text will come and sit on top of the image. Okay. Now it will take its parent as this image card and it will behave according to that. Okay. Simple. Now what we'll do is that let's copy these things actually. Let's copy these three things and let's paste them here. Okay. And after that, let's write flex direction as column. Okay. I'll write column. And after that, let's take opacity and opacity should be 0 because initially we don't want to see the text. After that, let's have one last property, which is transition, and I'm going to select all and I'm going to give 0.6 seconds. Okay. Simple. And after that, let's come out of this one and let's select the actual image now. So I'll type image and then let's type img, and inside this, first thing what we'll do is that let's take width 100% of its parent and height as well. So let's give width height 100% of its parent, which is nothing but card, which is nothing but this one, 300 pixel and 400 pixel. Simple, right? And you can see this is not really looking good. So for that, we have one beautiful property, that is object fit. So let's write object fit as cover. Simple. Now it will maintain that aspect ratio and it will fit the image correctly. Okay. Simple. Now let's come here and let's take content, and when we hover on this content, I want opacity to be 1. Okay. Simple. Basically, I want my content to be displayed. So when I hover on this one, you can see we are seeing this one, right? Now what we'll do is that let's add a background color on this one so that when we hover on this one, this text will get highlighted. So for that, let's come here and let's type here background color and let's type RGBA and let me type 0,0,0,0.6. Okay, something. Now when I hover on this one, you see we will get that background color, right? Now what we'll do is that let's come here, let's write the content here. Okay, and let's select the child, and what I want is that transform, translate and translate Y, which is in Y direction. Okay, and this should be initially 25 pixel. Okay, 25 pixel. Simple. Now let me show you that one. If I comment this one, you see guys, our text is little bit downwards in y direction. Okay, initially it will be like that. Okay, so let me type here transition again, and let me give transform this time. Transform 0.6 seconds. Okay, simple. Now what we'll do is that let's copy this thing and let's paste it here again, and here let's cut this one. We don't want this one. And what we'll do is that let's just put over here. Okay, simple. And now let me put here 0 pixel. Now everything will make sense to you. Now as soon as I hover on this one, you see guys, we are getting that nice transition, and it is going from bottom to top. So that is nothing but initially our text is below 25 pixel in y direction. Now when I hover on this one, it will go to its original position. Okay, simple. Now let's give some styles to this p tag. So for that, let's go above and let me take p here. Simple. And first let's give it font size, maybe 19 pixel. Okay, and then let's give it a color, and color should be white. Okay, and after that let's give it a font style, and I want font style to be italic, so let's type italic. And after that let's give margin top, so let's give some margin, let's say 5 pixel. Okay, that's it. Now when I hover on this one, you see it's looking really good. So this is it for the video guys. If you have learned something from this video, please give it a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.